Matt Costello, how you doing? It's me, Justin Hawkins from The Darkness. In full singing regalia. This is Rufus. This is the second attempt at contributing to this wonderful speech by Steph. Who do you want to say hi to?
I want to say hi to Matt, first of all.
That's it. Yes. But, you know, wishing you lots of years of wedded bliss, and I hope that the ceremony is fitting and that you are happy together until the day you die together. In anything non-tragic circumstances. Decades of happiness. Lots of love. Cheers. Bye.
Bye.
It says here, Stephanie was a curious child. Sorry, I should have said Stephanie had great curiosity as a child. The first word she learnt was why. And unacceptable answers to her questions were, ask your mother, ask your father, because it is, or I'll tell you when you're older. Stephanie's academic journey through Blue Coat and Liverpool Uni is culminating shortly, we hope, in a PhD. I have her on good authority, actually. It's been complete for a while. However, Stephanie is desperately waiting to be Dr. Costello rather than Doc Martin.
Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to welcome you all here to Church Farm for the wedding of Mathew and Stephanie, and to extend a very special welcome to you both. Now, Matt and Steph wish to declare their commitment to one another in the presence of those whom they love and whose friendship they enjoy. And in this ceremony, they will dedicate themselves to the happiness and well-being of each other and to the further development of their relationship based on mutual love and respect. You have both made all of the legal declarations required by law. You have entered into a solemn and binding contract with each other in the presence of your family, friends, witnesses, and before me. And it is an honour, a privilege, but most of all, my very great pleasure to announce that you are now husband and wife. Would you like to...
First things first, I want to say you are the most incredibly generous, thoughtful, kind and intelligent woman I've ever had the privilege to meet. How incredible do you look today? You are, I would say, an absolute worldie. I am so happy to be here today, punching so far above my weight. I'm marrying you. You know, if you speak to all my mates, they'll tell you, for the first few months that I knew Steph, I was kind of like reticent. I was kind of like, oh God, you know, we need to slow this down. And the reason was because from the first moment that I clapped eyes on Steph, I knew that my life was going to change. I knew that that was the moment when my life was complete.